Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be cooking recipe number 3, and it's the Italian beef and thyme ragu with pan-fried gnocchi and cheddar. So we're gonna have gnocchi today, and it's the color coding red here on the bottom. And I forget to mention that it usually takes around about like 45 minutes. It gives you the time here of how long it usually takes. And here again is the ingredient listings. And for the staples today, we are going to need some olive oil and balsamic vinegar. And we are going to be following the recipe here at the back. I'm just going to show you guys what's inside our bag. I'll rip it open. This one was the heaviest one actually. Probably has a lot of things in it. There we go. So we've got 1 red onion. We've got 2 cloves of garlic. We've got some tomato paste. We've got here as well some cheddar. So this was in the frozen section in the box. We've got our Italian herbs. We've got one packet of gnocchi, which is 500 grams, and hubby is going to be very excited because gnocchi is actually his favorite pasta. So we've got that. We've got here some chicken style cubes, like stock cubes. We've got 1 carrot. We've got 1 zucchini. I do have half a zucchini in the fridge already, so I might just use that instead of this one and keep that one for later because it's still pretty big and I can just use that. We've got another packet of tomato paste, and then we've also got our herb bag, which has some continental parsley and some thyme. So oh, and I forgot, we have this one, our beef mince. So this one is 300 grams of beef mince, and it just looks like that. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to be doing is getting prepped. We're going to finally chop the red onion and carrot, pick the thyme leaves, peel and crush the garlic, and grate the zucchini. And then we are going to pick the parsley leaves and grate the cheddar cheese. We are then going to do step number 2 as well, which is heat and drizzle the olive oil in a medium fry pan over high heat. Add the red onion and carrot and cook for 5 minutes or until softened. And then we're going to add the thyme, garlic, Italian herbs and zucchini and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes or until fragrant. So let's get on with those steps. Okay, so our veggies are done. Now we're going to cook the beef. So it says add the beef mince to the same pan and cook, breaking up with a wooden spoon for 4 minutes or until brown. Then add the balsamic vinegar, which is suggested amount here, 2 teaspoons, and cook for 2 minutes or until liquid has evaporated. Add the tomato paste, which is 2 sachets for 2 people, and crumble the chicken cube, and then we're going to slowly add in water. And then we are going to simmer it for 10 minutes, and then we're going to season with salt and pepper. So the suggested amount for water here is 1.5 cups. So I'm going to get onto that before we get onto our gnocchi. While our sauce is simmering, we are going to move on to step number 4, which is fry the gnocchi. While the beef is cooking, heat a good drizzle of olive oil in a fry pan over medium heat. Once hot, add the gnocchi and in a single layer. Use the suggested amount so your finished dish has the right balance of sauce to gnocchi, and fry tossing occasionally for 6 minutes or until golden brown. It says here to use like 3/4 of the packet. I'm just going to use the whole packet because Mark, I'm pretty sure, would love his gnocchi. And then we are just going to mix it all together, and then we're just going to prep it and add our grated cheese. So let's do all the steps now. Now that our gnocchi is ready, we're just going to mix it into our sauce. think the whole pack of gnocchi was just perfect for the sauce. And then we are going to get our cheddar cheese, which we have shredded, and we're just gonna mix that all in together. Actually, I'm gonna leave some for the photo presentation. And that is it. Our gnocchi or our beef ragu is now ready to eat. I'm gonna serve this up now, and then we are going to do our taste test. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and there is plenty more in here. This probably serves around about 3 to 4 people. That's a pretty big serving. Hubby's one's even bigger than my one. So yeah, this one's pretty good. It feeds a lot. I think it's definitely more than 2 serves. Alright. Looks good, huh? Okay, so this is hubby's favorite, and it looks really good. It's definitely, look, this is my serving. Hubby's one's a bit more than mine, and then there's like plenty more in the, what's it called, the pan for tomorrow.
For my lunch.
For his lunch.
Alright.
Let's begin. Little balls of fluff. Yep. The sauce is good.
So I noticed that you put some chili flakes in there.
Yeah, for extra spice.
Which is what I like. Yeah, it tastes really nice.
I reckon this is a great way to incorporate veggies like in sauces, especially if people don't like to eat vegetables. You can kind of sneak it in. You can puree the carrots and the zucchini a bit. Like, you can't even tell if there's zucchini in
You can't even tell, like the carrots are so small, but it goes with the taste, and there's thyme in there, which is really good.
So Bob, out of all the meals, which one was your favorite?
I think my favorite so far was the chicken first, because I really like that that coconut rice.
Oh, nice.
And then this one, and then the salmon. The salmon's good too. I mean, they're all good. We don't really have that much salmon or gnocchi, so doing HelloFresh lets you get some of these meals out of the way.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Bit of variety.
And I think when they tell you, like, it takes you 45 minutes to cook it, it doesn't really. It just really depends on like your skill level when it comes to like prepping and stuff. So if you're pretty fast, it'll probably only take you like 30 minutes. This probably took like 30 minutes to make.
Yeah.
Maybe even a bit less when you think about it.
I think the hardest part was using that big pan for the gnocchi.
Yeah, because it's a bit too big for the
stove.
So yeah, it doesn't really take that long. It's like pretty much under 30 minutes. If you're a bit slow in the kitchen, or if like you're not used to it, or it's like your first time cooking and stuff, it might take you a little bit longer. But if you're used to cooking, you know how to cook or do your meals and stuff, you can definitely get a meal prep under 30 minutes. Heaps easy.
And what I found as well during the last 3 days we've been doing this, you never run out of ingredients. They always give you more than enough.
Yeah.
It's never short. If you even save half of it, you can use it for the next meal. You can save some veggies.
I've got a lot of herbs. I've got a lot of herbs for the rest of the week, because we didn't really put all the herbs in all our dishes. Like, we didn't use all of it because I think it was like a lot.
Too much. So yeah, but it's good.
But this one they said like only put 3/4 of the packet of the gnocchi. I put like the whole packet, and there's still plenty of like the beef sauce on it. So I think you can definitely put in like the whole packet.
Alright.
Well, that is it for our HelloFresh series this week. We are having another box come in on Sunday, so keep an eye out for an unboxing video for next week's meals. And if you guys are interested, I will leave the coupon code again down in the description box below, giving you $50 off your first order with HelloFresh. So that would be 3 dinners for only $20 if you do use my code. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and we will see you guys again next time. Bye!